This is the new BMW R18 TRANSCONTINENTAL. With the new R18 TRANSCONTINENTAL, BMW is adding a grand American tourer to the R18 family. It combines the thrilling power of the big boxer, with a classic chassis concept based on historical models, exclusive equipment, and a stylish design. This makes the R18 TRANSCONTINENTAL ideal for traveling and long-distance rides, in American riding style, both for riding solo and with a pillion and luggage. Special features of the new R18 TRANSCONTINENTAL include front fairing with high wind shield, wind deflector and flaps, cockpit with 4 analog round instruments and 10.25-inch TFT color display, additional headlamp, Marshall sound system, engine protection bars, cases, top case, seat heating, chrome trim, and an engine in silver metallic. The heart of the new R18 TRANSCONTINENTAL is a 2-cylinder boxer engine. The most powerful 2-cylinder flat, twin engine ever built in motorbike series production, boasts an engine capacity of 1,802 cc. It generates an output of 91 horsepower, at 4,750 rpm. In the 2,000 to 4,000 rpm range, it delivers more than 150 Nm of torque, at all times, as well as elemental pulling power and sonorous sound.